You mentioned the word appeasement. It reminds me World War II, when the Prime Minister of the United Kingdom was, I think it was Chamberlain, if I'm not mistaken, but before Winston Churchill. But the thing is, theirs was an appeasement. They believed that it is better to have peace with Mussolini and with Adolf Hitler rather than go to war. But we all know what happened. And in a speech in Parliament, then Prime Minister Winston Churchill was able to actually mobilize the English battle, rather the English language, and put it into battle, hence the victory of the Allied forces. That's why kayong siguro mga kababayan natin na nag-iisip na appeasement. Wag na lang nating awayin. Anyway, para tahimik na lang. Wag puho kayo maniwala. Pag ang isang bayan ay gusto nilang kunin kung anuman ang sa atin, gagawa ng paraan yan. There is no such thing. History have taught us. No? Maybe na a bit on the side of our discussion for today, but at the end of the day, still very related on the West Philippine Sea. Kaya nga pinaglalabanan natin to, atin to eh. Hindi kayo pwede pumunta dito. Kaya pag may mga nagsasabi, hindi, pagbigyan mo na, parang hindi na tayo mag-away, hindi yun pwede. Kaya pag nag-iisip tayo, lalo na yung mga nasa social media, no, na appeasement, wag. Don't be trapped into their narrative. Ika nga.